Suit has been filed against the city of Williston after more than a dozen people claiming to be pit bull dog owners feel their furry friends are being discriminated against based on a dog law created more than 30 years ago. Malik Wilson shows us how one national organization is stepping in to help possibly get that dog law changed.
Under the City of Williston ordinances, it is illegal to own or in any way possess a dog that appears to be a pit bull or a predominant pit bull mix. But organizations like the Animal Farm Foundation are fighting to get that changed.
One of our primary purposes for existing is fighting breed-specific legislation. And for folks who don't know what that is, that's when it's legal for the government to come in and take your pet dog away just because of what the dog looks like.
Stacy Coleman, who serves as the foundation's executive director, says ordinances like these across the country are not only discriminatory, but outdated too.
We were in the habit of looking at a dog, assuming we knew what the breed was, and then being able to feel confident in those predictions about behavior because of what the dog looked like. Well, then they mapped the canine genome and all of that went out the window. And what we learned is that the genes that determine a dog's physical appearance have no influence on behavior.
Coleman says the impact of this ordinance has caused a list of problems, from people having their pets taken away to not being able to live in the city.
So we've got a number of different folks that have an interest in this and really love Williston and want to stay there, but they love their pets too.
To help be a solution to what Coleman says is a problem, the foundation is helping fully fund 13 people in the Williston community file a lawsuit against the city to try and repeal the legislation.
We want people who can't do it themselves to have somebody they can actually rely on and depend on to help them fight to keep their pets.
KX News reached out for a comment from the city of Williston. In the statement, they say in part they cannot comment on the specifics of the lawsuit. However, they believe they are operating within the constitutional bounds of the laws that are set in place. Coleman says the foundation has helped repeal numerous other cities' breed-specific legislations and only hope Williston repeal theirs too.
If it comes up for discussion, most places repeal it or they reject it outright. So that's the way the trend has been going for at least the last 5 years, since the science has come out and told us how wrong we are about visual inspection and predicting breed by predicting behavior by looking at a dog.
Reporting for KX News in Williston, Malik Wilson.
Currently, there is no timeline as to how long each case may take, but Coleman says they're willing to help the city of Williston work out a more breed-neutral ordinance that would actually target any and all dogs that did something bad or harmful. To read the full statement from the city of Williston, you can visit KXNet.com.